Okay, yama atifoni adofo nyina so akwaba emfamra dwumadi so aha Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok, and afi Charles Ado on Facebook at so kwa onsa enso ebetimi akan na bibia so notima kosi atena se once again na this time round ebedi nkomo afa Ghana ya transfers and so etimi ekoso ne ebebesi more on Accra folk and then Kumasi Asante Kotoko and a transfers no more now for the other class no Marco could be at what was no bias no etimi akoso kama Odiana say over subscribe share for comment no and so etimi etwas ya kama fama na bibias no and so intimi enkoso na say intimi fa emremo back to back na so bibias no etimi akoso very soon. The stories never back to back. Maybe be answer no etimi akwaso kama yen shasia and so entimi in free Eric Ofori entry alawa where former goalkeeper at the team e friend say Accra folk and I feel room our Asante Kotoko so a obodwuma edam na me pacha alawa okọ ne campo a ti say nearby and say ono so ewuram our team e friend say Brekum Chelsea Chese on a Brekum Chelsea and so etime permanent deal Chese no so bayete ayete ede amano hu de no so ko nyambo next season bones alawa esa dago posum ede amatime fa no se Brekum Chelsea wo Ghana Premier League match Chese no good news and so ede ma player no ana afa ne fans nyina we Black Stars goalkeeper former Black Stars goalkeeper what you say on retire kwento betima sahaba enti no enye easy kra alawa enso nyakopon enso etimi abomase ono so awuram awa team e fa ne se Brekum Chelsea akohwe se bia nso no betimi akoso kama ede amanom yeda so awa team a ya fa ne se Accra folk aso en nkwa de me pa chaw goalkeeper fa ne se Kwasin Katia ana chese mpanifo hwe ne mu se Bema enso be free club no enso etimi akọ na wonim se Kwasin Katia club e fa ne se Hoho United and so etimi epe Kwasin Katia na Hoho United deal no ti say player no and so atiase so be akọ join club a ye fa ne say Hoho United eno e good news edema player fa ne say Kwasin Katia atese no beboa no because Hoho United a new promoter club a wapiem e Ghana Premier League no Kwasin Katia ye player bia na standard no enyando club e fa ne say Accra folk Saudi no kre cancel man standard enu Heart folk na me pacha Kwasin Katia de no a loan deal and a player no so etimi aircom achese say no nieba and say Heart folk pese Kwasin Katia so extend the contract and the team e friend say Heart folk ansa na chese ono so etima movie akopiem our club e friend say Hoho United na say chena bi no bibia nso timi koso ye kama edema no na chese Heart folk say yes Omankasamo player ni was stand the contract and sana ono so etimi konti a good idea and I had to for company for them and so etimi dia go some person player no almost etimi stand the contract and sa ono so etimi apiem e club e friend say Hoho United nti likely senyambo next season Kwasin Katia and Subewuram our club e friend say Hoho United no akwesi akan and so etimi edam Rocky Jamina a former player the team your friend say Asante Kotoko player we Remo Kotoko no na chese nye izi oni bobo pa na player no so had to focus justify no Rem any club no so etimi I justify e wo ho ana si say no nye ba no say si say player no any had to focus no mpanifo no ani aso boy no so airborne ntino si say omo negotiation gusu a chese no so etimi ekoso omo hwe mu say player no so betimi atias na bia so etimi ho so kama no so etimi assign edama tima ye friend say Accra folk and this week he had to focus awuram or Solomon Agwasi asoye na had to focus di Solomon Agwasi chi ache papa ama player no ko prior crime na ho to no na o hwe Solomon Agwasi deal na na dia kwene se player no sika no demand no enso was so na Heart folk dey no so offer bet me no ka say no Heart folk company for wiki amasa any player na say share amasa edin commercial ni mu say almost with my finalize deal no na chese Solomon Agwasi enso etawura mo team e friend say Accra folk now na be backup e dey ma goalkeeper ye friend say Benjamin Asare the national asset national goalkeeper no na ono so etima wuram enso e backup diama no na bibia anso no tima koso already the question ketie ko enti na ebeka swipe any Benjamin Asare enti Solomon Agwesi enso ebeka ho a na bibia so tima koso onum se ka hato foki o madwen se Solomon Agwesi kwa na so obi a na asem o tintin ka omo no bu ne deal no kwa no omo twa krabo na afin ka omo enso a different goalkeeper na mum empanifo trans mo say no also almost high a cobium not just almost so it me push hard now almost and so it me can player your friend say a Solomon Agwesi and so be pm our team your friend say a craft of folk general and so you say and so it me air coso our heart to folk as well ya day and want some European so it me so for former Legon Cities right back I friend says Surat Kama na akwawe no onimbo pa mo amahwe Ghana Premier League no na o hwe Legon Cities matches no mu se eye Kama enso so player bia onimbo papa me penasem brutal na o right back na onim sa to focus so right back no you say enye easy here right back part sem penifo hwe no mu se almost bitini di player no so etma na player no same dey ten say on how to focus a training say possible deal enso bitini a happen na bibia so etima koso nti se kira me kotisa Kama aya Surat enso ram our team friend say how to focus na chese anya wanwa sanse bo akwa no so ebo no ano enso etimi edian kedi enwonsam etimi eba na yenwuram kakra ne yankopiem ewo ne friend say Brekum Chelsea na Brekum Chelsea a almost center back friend say Rhys Chumasi enso so etimi computing medicals a okopiem ewo club friend say Adriana Stars ojama Achesa ono so etimi kopiem ho na afi no number 1 next season ono so etimi asia kan edi amomo hwa yede ho nsem no enso etwafen yenti we mfanto so
boss yosi has a pitch in it dear do yeah dear
that is where your social facilities bobo
oh
facilities bobo because you ba kwa ya complain over the years
oh yes
because it has a standard way West Africa West Africa West Africa has a new face
yes
because Oko Nigeria and other countries now has facilities in as football club but I'm not performing because more facilities team run whisker another
yes
team no sika sika rem
yes
team no good facilities still ball no more by me worry
me jump for ninja I move a radio station TV station auto machines I will be asking
machines come
say I move and for the right people I'm a man be juma na any
and found in near my wash
and also some chese machines machines are very important Name senior we invest in machines you have to invest in human resources Bagana or machines are o yisika to machines are usro but o yisika ko to nipa usro forgetting say with the machine any pana ntimi anya adwuma na machine fa so bi edu so
nice now
it is senior to we afede o yisika yakọ sidan yankọ cement yankọ yewei o yisika on usro
yes
the same way and it's so investing in human resources. I don't understand why you would invest in such facilities. Now about human resources as attention is said to be a kekesebi, without the respect, you will be a kekembe. But it is your investment. What I said, the same attention that goes into infrastructure should go into human resources. That is it.
Because a senior team then performing, I had attention cranial.
Exactly.
One year my ekoso opo bi man won se fefe
training kits na cry for brutal.
Imagine say e to be no mo the trophy ba ko bi aba wo mu na e ba o se ka attention be ko pa
yeah
nkofo ho na say me fa wo say ho nya
jadwimi no say as obi attention crane
adakwajacho
na no na hofu ba so obi anka ho asem
ba kwa na wakwaje cap
asem it as obi akra nka ho asem
o de fuye na o de akwaje cap
e ha dwen o
na has much green oh that's ay phone do you I know who's out there now work
serious but I think that assembly nyina na without the right personnel to do the job investment in beko waste with no disrespect to anybody or more had to focus. I feel say and Yamana had to focus ye or Mudia Gugu Aquamuno. The na expect say Ghanaian big clubs in the bay and I had to focus ye no
pitches.
But why ye no na win ube ye nipa or Mude pitches in the bay Jumana Edim Faswaba.
Okay.
And a honor any problem na aka.
Your first way na yen
Okay, say time Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe call South Africa no. Na ye din komo say South Africa for no. E monitor Kumasi Asante Kotoko players ni bi. E ma ye di din beto odwa. Kwaku Kotoko free South Africa ba ye no afedie. Asem na no ye beka wo ha say before Kotoko ne Kaizer Chiefs no. Eye no kretrudu Kaizer Chiefs no for no mni Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omo de eye nkomotwetwe na Kotoko say omo pe 4 players say dey free Kotoko ho. Na 4 players na Kaizer Chiefs for so epe no. Eye omo goalkeeper Kamara. Omo pe Kamara. Eye omo center back Henry Ansu. Omo say pe Kotoko captain Samba Unao ana Albert Amwa. Eye Albert Amwa nti sa 4 players we nyina no. Ana ye players a Kaizer Chiefs for no e dia ba say omo pesa 4 players we from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara, Henry Ansu, Samba Unao ana Albert Amwa. Enti eye 4 players a omo say omo pay free Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Eho enti gwaku enkomo a midi kan dia ball no
4 players.
Yes, 4 players.
1 goalkeeper, 2 center backs and a striker.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Kwaku
Nkutiskadie. $1 million. Someone from run
Kwaku.
my boy nako.
Onim say menya sure say adiwe e wanwa. Say Ghana ha say ne die. Menya sure say team bi betima kipu ni key players be 2 seasons simple. E be den because of power. Ye football no o dey compare other countries e wa Africa ha se a omu chase ka kese o dey compare ye de na so time bia no ye clubs on Ghana ha say no play bi yi omu tipe definitely obeti say team bi wo Africa o pese obefa sa play and dey free Ghana ha say and say wa check here before the game mpokra no na enkomo ho say Kaizer Chiefs epe Kotoko players ni even at the time mpokra na Prinkra call South Africa di kan call ya omo koye sa unveiling of sa tournament na say game no on say MC ni mpokra ball Kotoko players ni bi kra yes so monitor mo pa so before the game na enkomo no any room no wo kakra then game na ekoso Kaizer Chiefs mpanyimfo ankasa ehu die players ni ye wo field ne so no definitely on benya sa interest no because against Kaizer Chiefs ohe adwuma Kamara boy saving 4 penalties na oye Kaizer Chiefs penny oye coach a obenya say obenya sa goalkeeper no wo team o heard the performance of Henry Ansu against Kaizer Chiefs time bia o cover Lord Amwa na odisa stability be chire ho ne performance na wo soro enti so oye Kaizer Chiefs coach na wo hwe Abrante friend say Henry Ansu performance obenya so ba be show team nim and so watch Sambo now that calmness any organization or the bench most especially say na Kotoko anana a defend more no ube he obi obetima organize with defensive setup ni very well and the Kaizer Chiefs for ni show interest enye mwawa and so watch key game na ye bo game ni we man na make catch say Kotoko anim ho no the only player now who say all 4 seconds here power was Albert Amwa so kwa kume sa 4 players we nyina no me enye mwawa say Kaizer Chiefs for ni dia ba say omo pelm because of omo modern bompoko omo ye and before the game na omo monitors our players we dada kwaku baby adru no a lot of factors they also consider then na Kotokope na Kotokope so kodru new season na ye ba no Kotoko ebebo Ghana Premier League obebo Confederations Cup obebo MTN top 4 MTN FA Cup no abo Gaka top 4 these are 4 competitions are Kotoko ebe compete the new season me no mienu nim say Kotoko fans na dodo na no say yi be tena emu na en ha beka say season na e ba be rem no omo expect Kotoko say obeji league na Africa na obeko no anya hwe kra no nko group stage se me boa new season na e ba be rem no obi expect say Kotoko obeji league Kotoko Africa oko no obetima akwa ya ade obeko group stage and so obetima the league Ubetima kwa Africa kwa ya dia. Eye nyoma mienu na ye very important. Quality materials and iska. Untimi nkwa Africa abra uniska. Untimi nkwa ya dia wa Africa abra uni quality materials. Ye league na ye bon Ghana ha se mpokran before so obetima je no. E wo sa uti make sure say ubetima nyeska no asenya quality materials ansa na obetima je sa ye league no. And before se Kotoko betima accomplish sa o mo target say ye pe league aje. Africa so at least I was see a team call a group stage no. Kwekwe was say iska wo ho na Kotoko e wo quality materials. And say ucha Kumasi Asante Kotoko team na Kweku 4 players we say o ka players are Kotoko 4 gidi o mu pa na 4 players we na Kotoko e wo mu gidi. Say the most trusted goalkeeper of Kotoko eye Mohamed Kamara say me boa.
Yeah.
Based on the Mohamed Kamara aye e dia chaye wo Kotoko no. Kotoko kwa Africa no so person okoya dia. Ubehi obi te say Mohamed Kamara dia ko. And may you su Kotoko na nkasa as case study. Kotoko Confederations Cup no mokobo na nyeso mumbo bi da. Kotoko made an edition of a CAF Confederations Cup so ko final. Oni Accra Hasufu. Uped nipa ba ko timi boa Kotoko at the time omoko Confederations Cup final against Sasa. Na yo mu goalkeeper wu. Se me boa. No ye very key. The last time Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebo CAF Confederations Cup. Our muko group stage again na ye sika kono time. Na nye anan Felisana na nedim. When a performance. And tis a Kotoko betime dru sam pempenso na ubehia goalkeeper odini di tise Mohamed Kamara. No odwa dru sam pempenso no. Na nsenya ye hu dream service yo muko ya ade. Ewo CAF Confederations Cup. When the performance of Solomon Agbesi. Ana Agbesi performance was ropeyi. Enti bibia kyerɛ sɛ Kotoko betime duru sam pempenso na ɛwɔ so ohia Mohamed Kamara wɔ hɔ sɛ wo check obi te sɛ Henry Anso a obɛka sɛ Kotoko ɛtɔn Henry Anso a problem bi anse de ni hɔ because ɔwɔ Samba wɔ hɔ ɔwɔ Fuseni Zakaria wɔ hɔ ɔwɔ Ablo wɔ hɔ ba me no mienu nim sɛ currently one of the most improved players wɔ Kumasi Asante Kotoko untimi nyi Henry Anso mfamfrim ne performance ɛwɔ soro pa and I was talking to one of Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo technical teams no obi abo Henry Anso aba so mbe hia for this African campaign. The same thing applies to Samba Onel. Samba Onel about Kotoko. The first game was against Accra House for Democracy Cup. But now Branty and the boy, you know, sa first game against us, a hona who say Branty and settle or House for a Kotoko Bobu Kunim. And yam one pokrass Samba Onel about Kotoko no, were passing through the ranks and Che Biasa where he's on the captain of the side because of the leadership quality, the performance of a Samba Onel. And it's a Kotoko betima koya dear Africa who expected Samba Onel be. And Kotoko enim hono minu mienu nim say I'll bet one idea untimi nyini mfam free. And to kwaku 4 players here yes Kaizer Chiefs airport no. Se Kotoko betima the league. Se Kotoko betima koya dear Africa to be honest with you Kotoko be here 4 players we.
Kwame
By the big question no yes say no me was consider no timing. Say timing no abeye wie Kotoko ton ma replacement no ombenya bia ni manimu ya na availability e wo ho say ana enti before say Kotoko betima ton sa players no e wo so consider timing no apart from that oba be share the sporting projects Kotoko e new coach na ba players aye can say o ma baba be ye key e dia ma coach Karim Zito ne system enti say o ton omo a players no mo ba no about the sporting project no on betima ba adapting them e dia ma Karim Zito e dia ko perform very well na and to be consider san your money nyina ba kwaku no kwaye ba kope se Kaizer Chiefs for ni sika no eba na iskani iska kese a Kotoko be consider asem the bottom line no se iska no e iska unhu ni say Kotoko e kofa abetam we for Olympics by omutu ya sen oba wa be perform for the Kaizer Chiefs aba na omuso omu kra sembe $200,000 to $300,000 a Kotoko be consider Mohamed Kamara can how many years anyone na Kaizer Chiefs aba omuso omu kra $150,000 obe consider by say eska na omo de ba ne enye ska kese dia enhu hia so obeton because se wo take race na okipo na de omo ko Africa na omo kobo omo homodi a ubenya more cash by eska na Kaizer Chiefs ne de ba no se eye eska wan kasa onim se kwaku se ne ene ya Kotoko decide se oton abetam a e de ama Kaiser Chief bear $300,000. I mean, sure say Kotoko supporters fusa because of the kind of amount beba. Enti ni nyina be depende e scanner beba ne say scanner de e skefie bi a hu hia say Kotoko beton. Ni nyina ni scanner.
Well,
E scanner beba no ade be kire be a say Kotoko beton ana say omonton. By say scanner ye ska enye ska e so a adint e wo say Kotoko kipo mo by scanner so pa de a kwaku Kotoko be consider by based on me hwehwemu kakra no you say 4 players no animu ya no de on betimi a consider ton animu ya no Henry Ansu
de tie ne say kwame say de say sika ni ade bia obeye bia sika nti obi ani wa owo Kotoko mu obepe say boys ni be free but clearly send you sika no sika bi wo ho a ebe to table no so a
yempupu
yeti nemom sɛmeyɛ Kotoko sisi a ma mentwe ɔmo adwen si adeɛ bi so na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ very careful. Samba ka no contract do was saying ɛwɔ Kotoko
Raka 1
Kamara ka ne saying
1
on say Kaiser Chiefs show interest na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo adi nkɔmɔ ɔmo ni mo bia contract aka.
Oh yeah.
Kwame, either they are selling or one of them will leave for free next year. Because bibi sa no, omkoma ko so o. Say ye be fa enye ye dia. Next year sikani nyina be ko footballers dey sa. Ye clubs ye bi. Nti obi so e de ye ya, ye hu se e de ye de ye nkofo no mo so bi de be ye.
Yeah.
Nti some show some open no ne die by this time Kotoko nim se some obe sign na Kotoko ya we because ni suni ne ban ubehu se camera be sign na we ya we onu obetime make the bounce butim sa akwa onya akwa na obeko quickly me die se baby Kotoko ekodru ye ra season ni mo na boys no en sign is still offer we be pie will be a catching so on train.
Lawson FM.
I mean, at the end of the day, my interest is not with the other place. Or more account 1 year. Almost sounds on your Ghana for. Oh,
so it means
Kotoko should be very careful.
So it means say
I'm cash in terms of
say in case Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Ton Kamara and Ton Sambo no dia. Then I was say Yebeshi season as a crowd was Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Also by this time, or may renew our contracts in the crowd.
What's the problem? They say Sikana.
Yes, next.
Kotoko has say Sikani wood. But Charlie, maybe a samba. The level let you see no. When you about $3,000, $4,000. So Oba, he's right because of course South Africa freer. I'm betting me man bear $6,000, $7,000. Oh, begin patch over Darama.
Where Kotoko supporter? Na team kumoya here. Me sure say enya there because every Kotoko supporter feels say the kind of quality omanya with team no. So mo keep team no betimi abo mo homodin wa Africa. The obi hwehwe no. But no kwenso so ye ba akopɛ. A lot of these players omo join Kumasi Asante Kotoko free. So oba Kotoko free ya. Hwene ye dodo na ya no mo pese omo sign ko free. So when you share company who Steven Desimukwala, e Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kotoko shots yes o Chelsea Mukwala no. O Chelsea be 2 seasons before. And sana Mukwala eba be join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. All because na Steven Desimukwala person the contract on the club na obon ewu. No ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko for free. Eventually Mukwala contract wu ye no. Obe join Kotoko for free. Obebo Kotoko na niema ko ye no Kotoko bono while extending the contract. He left Asante Kotoko so for free. Yes. Show me to say Morifin Donzo. Kumasi Asante Kotoko didn't start the nkomo last season. One Kotoko because he wanted to be a free player. Now he is free. Only Kumasi Asante Kotoko we Obaba join Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Such a player. Do you think that within the next 2 years Obesanto extending the contract amount? Obona mode money ko yi nko ade there will be other suitors. I also betimi akọ for free no akwa jiska. Somebody know about Kumasi Asante Kotoko no pay the minim. Mpenifo ne kasa ye say omo man 3 years contract or say there be op2. Omo kan ya or say chijiro op2. But looking at the kind of quality ana Kotoko company for ne ho and omo say nyehwe omo for 2 ni ma no omo ne nkasa. Samba born the first game within the season and I got a company for shot yes or need the contract extension won't come. Bepemne Samba will know ya extending the contract in Farmer Kumasi Asante Kotoko or Asante Kotoko for free. And then a medical amount examples of players from about for free, no more science to call for free. And Naminim just idea we be Kwaku. Kotoko Kaiser Chiefs game the point, you know. There was one Kaiser Chiefs official. I know the Kamara Gina Park in the Sudin Como. And me sure say na on French. And I say be an abro for near the nature and Kuyi. It was friend, I think it was a blow or one other player. And of friend, it was church player and another player and a church match Kamara. That was when I realized it be to me. If players never 1 year contract, now say Obian show any sign. So I already saw be extending the contract. Amakumasi Asante Kotoko. Say Obeko for free there. Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Nisika. No one fan pay other players in Ramishim. Kamara is a good goalkeeper. Or a lot of experience. But opportunity a Kamara Abenya Kumasi Asante Kotoko go now order. This will be a way Bechem United former goalkeeper Aziz. Me, I am very confident of the goalkeeper. He's a good goalkeeper. I do here the Kotoko platform. It's the summer owner extended. Not so for free. Abra no bet me a Jessica the recruitment about Babeshimwa. Koku initial Kotoko company for China players they go for free.
And one thing again is that they should not wait. Say offer beba or my train say be or offer be beba for these two boys because clearly if you know say they will not extend that. One can say that Uchini Copes Ekofa. Club bow Ediba. And so catch the agent to say, agent, I'm giving you mandate. If you bring a club, na club remember ABR some $200,000, sir. Kotoko remember 10%. So you give mandates to other agencies because focus on China. Agency be any obebo because once I can 1 year. Or the cop boy no straight I could catch and say, Train, who we are. You can go $200,000 and you go to one out there. But what I say?
Yeah.
And say no. I'm a month now because the more you wait, the more because I will cause a problem. Said the amount. Some Komoya ye the football almost fiber because say better to player no ako free. And again, you made mention of one thing that is very important. Those players now Omoba Kotoko free ninyi na who so musubai na no.
Obezo ko free.
Oh, any day. Obi obebe free bia who say nusu ene ne ban. No.
Obebo na extend.
Obeko free. Come oh, young go second one.
Minim club akwa enra enwumre na me wo fie ana na me hwe season etwe mu no na me hwe yi teams no team ba kwa nso so elusu key players pa onim say Bechem.
Yeah.
Bechem United we elusu key players pa. So na me to na me calculate Bechem United players key players o elusu after the season. Na me hu ina me nwa kakra. But big you know one thing. I think man sensuru because club ba akoso so wo Ghana ha. Me wo gidie woni mu pa se olusu key players a ono a on tiska kese enkoto high profile players mba. Bo benya enkran ketenkete dia bebo league no. Ama ma sa shine eye Bechem. Kwaku nim se Bechem United so far. Me cheki players o melusu key players a goalkeeper Aziz Dari Omelusu ni to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omelusu Francis Akwa left back e dia ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Seth Kojo midfield Omelusu to Kotoko. Omelusu Francis Keni Isco e dia ma bebie ni Gold Stars. Omelusu Abasa London. Say oko QPR e wo England. Eye Mante Sefas Omelusu no. Enti me check key players a Bechem United de lusu a. Ekoye any top club or Ghana has a power best offer for the new season. Most especially says our team ni willing say or betis ka kese dia sa kwa top players dia baba Bechem. But the reason why emfa hu say Bechem United elusu sa key players we nyina. But me wo gidie wo mu say still na ye bebo season a o betima compete no. Eye the scouting department of Bechem. Ghana has a team ba ko mu nim scouting. Yenyi ni low ni enhye ne high. Se Bechem anya number 1 obey number 2.
No correct.
Onim say yenya nwie season in pokra no. Bechem United agama mo operations director Francis mo ɛne mpanyinfo koto sɛ ɛwɔ yamo na ɔmo obɛkyem no yɛ bɛbɔ season bia na ɔmo wɔ scouts a first division second division saa lower divisions no ɔmo monitor nkora na ɔmo yɛ adeɛ paa no enti yɛbɛbɔ season awie no bɛkyemfo no anim sɛ yɛbɔ season bi awie a ɔmo top players nya no teams akɛseɛ ne bɛfa ba yɛn fa yɛsika nkɔtɔ akɛseɛ by saa players ɔmo free lower division no ne yɛ saa deɛ ɔmo aba abɛhyɛ team nim na ɔmo abɛbɔ na ɔmo asa perform ne yɛ asa ato ɔmo okay time abɛkyem enya konkoni Hafiz konkoni ɔmo nya Augustine Okra ɔmo nya Avenyo ɔmo nya Osei Kufuor ɔmo nya Kofi Agbesima ɔmo nya Kenfo ɔmo nya squad na nkobie nim sɛ sanka bɛkyem United timi maintain sa nkofo we a league no betumaje ba bɛkyem agye ɔmo nyina ma ɔmo kɔ tɔn ɔmo ba onim de ɔmo yɛ bɛkyem ɛba akɔfa ya wɔ champion ɛde free nzema akɔtɔkɔ hwan anim no ba bɛkyem fo akɔfa ya wɔ champion free nzema akɔtɔkɔ no uhu ne sɛn bɛkyem ɛba akɔfa Reagan ɛde free DBB United into jam hɔ na Reagan nipa dodo sɛ na anim no bɔde ne ba bɛhyɛ bɛkyem fo no ɔbɛ perform very well hwan na anim Clinton Diodu na Clinton Diodu ɛbɔ coast team ɛwɔ bɛkyem hɔ na bɔ ba akɔfa Clinton Diodu ɛhenfa na sɛ Clinton Diodu wɔ ɔmbɔ Blasters hwan na anim no ɔbɛkɔ akɔfa Baba Moro onim sɛ season na bɛkyem United ɛkɔ pre-season wɔ Accra a na ɔmo yɛ ɔmo pre-season no ɔmo training wɔ Ajenga no AstroTurf no ana ɔmo hu Baba Moro ana ɔmo fa Baba Moro ɛde ne bɛhyɛ ɔmo akyire hɔ no bi enti ɔmo yɛ team baako a ɔmo yi ne low na ɔmo ahyɛ ne high enti mete hɔ a mehwɛ the kind of players a bɛkyem United ɛlusu no kwaku sɛ kɔyɛ team bi ahwɛ anka na season obɛtumi akɔ relegation ba mi wɔ gyidie wɔ bɛkyem United mu sɛ ɔmo bɛsa fa nkrankra na saa tete ɔmo aba bɛhyɛ bɛkyem United fo gyesi no na kɔtɔkɔ ne has ne teams akɛseɛ sadis kakɛseɛ aba bɛfa season atwa mu no player bɛn na ɔwɔ bɛkyem a na ɔgye ne din pa nyɛ Kofi Tompuo Kofi Tompuo ne baabi a bɛkyem fo nya no operations manager Mr Francis Mukofa ne firi ɔbo ase na Kofi Tompuo ɔbɔ league da ɔbɔ lower division ba Kofi Tompuo che kɔtɔkɔ na ɔyɛ ne de ɔkye teams akɛseɛ na ɔyɛ ne de enti kwaku yɛ pe team baako a ɛba scouting ɔmo yɛ one of the best wɔ Ghana ha se a bɛkyem United because sɛ wulusu first choice goalkeeper Aziz Dari o first choice left back Francis Akwa Seth Kojo wɔ mfimfini olusu no ulusu Francis Twene Isco ulusu Abasa London ulusu Mante Sefa Mante a kwaku anhwe ya o team no wanyɛ careful betima collapse but I trust the Hunters sɛ bɛkyem United bɛsa another scouting ɔmo scouting team no
bɛkyem deɛ ɔmo deɛ honestly to say the enka ne wafa no
asɛm na no aka no
ɔmo deɛ ɔmo nim kwan mfa so for ɔmo players
on say ɔmo yɛ serious under 19 bi wɔ hɔ
ɔmo deɛ me ɔmo di wɔ saa nneɛma no honestly they know how to do the work